Hi, I'm Phil Constantine. On this episode of Travels with Phil, we're going to the Green River Ferry in Kentucky. It's right in the Mammoth Cave National Park. You can see it here on the Green River. And it's a very, very small ferry, one of the backcountry ferries that they used to have in Kentucky, one of the very few that's remaining out there. And you get your car, you go across the river. It can only handle a few vehicles at a time. You can see it there on the Green River. And indeed, this is right inside the Mammoth Cave National Park. And the nice thing is, last time I was there, it's free and runs every day but Christmas. So let's go see my live commentary. All right, sports fans, I'm on the Green River Ferry in Kentucky, not too far from Mammoth Cave. Zoom in a little bit. It's like an old paddle wheeler here on the side. And literally you do go through Mammoth Cave Park to get here. You see it's got these cables running up over the side there so it doesn't drift down, so it just makes it real easy for it to go back and forth. All it's got to do is turn the paddle one way, turn the paddle the other, and they do it. Stop engine, set parking brake, stay in vehicle. So there you go. Here at the Green River Ferry, and it is green. Hard to see in the light here. See the paddle working there. That's keeping it on shore. They'll reverse the direction when he's ready to go, I think. I'm going to wait for one more person to show up or not. I'll wait for that. A little look at the river. Goes around the curve there. At 21 adult life jackets and 6 children. See a little bit of steam coming off the river down the road there. Alright, so I don't think the next person that was up the hill there is getting on the boat. Yeah, they are. So getting on. So they will have a not quite full load. All right, see there, he stopped the paddle. Now they're going to spin around the opposite direction. There they go. So this is an everyday paddle wheeler. Have a toilet on there, a little flat bottom boat in case they have to get stuck in the middle and need to get over to the shore. I'm just chuckling at the porta-can. Pilot's got to go somewhere. All right, this is the Green River Ferry. It is right on the edge of Mammoth Cave National Park. So we're in the middle of Kentucky, the western half of Kentucky. And had a little bit of rain out here in the last couple of days. I had some this morning, but look at that smoke, haze, fog, whatever, going off the ground. Looks like something you'd see in a horror movie. So there you go. Got to see the Green River Ferry working here at Mammoth Cave in Kentucky. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please feel free to make comments below as long as the language is family friendly. And if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the circle with my picture in it in the lower right-hand corner of the video. The arrow is pointing at it now. And once you have subscribed, you can be notified of when I have a new video posted by clicking on the bell icon in the description field below the video. Thanks again for watching.